Google's digital ecosystem just received its biggest AI update yet. The Play Store is being reinvented with deeper AI integrations, while Gemini, Google's advanced assistant, is transforming how users find and interact with apps. This could change mobile engagement as we know it. Here's why it matters. Coming up, a revolutionary slot game platform by OpenSlots, big updates to Google Play games, GoPro's AI-powered stabilizer, and a new AI standards consortium. Stay tuned for insights that matter if you're into artificial intelligence, gaming tech, or digital innovation. If you want daily AI news updates, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a breakthrough. OpenSlots has officially launched its AI-driven development platform. Built by ESA Gaming, it allows even non-technical creators to build slot games using an intuitive editor that outputs playable builds, concept art, and compliance docs, ready for market in record time. The platform partners with ESA's network of over 160 regulated operators, ensuring games meet regional legal standards. It also supports 100-plus currencies, 20-plus game types, and multiple languages, accelerating time to market and creative scalability like never before. Next, in other news, Google is rolling out a game-changing AI-powered app search in the Play Store. It categorizes results by intent, such as boost productivity or relax, helping users discover tools faster and smarter. Powering this is Google's new Gemini 2.5 Flash image model, codenamed Nano Banana. It enables advanced visual edits through simple prompts, bridging AI creativity and user-driven interaction in ways that feel seamless and smart. The Google Play Games platform is leveling up. Users will get a unified gamer profile, stat tracking, AI-generated avatars, and the Play Games Sidekick, an AI assistant that offers in-game tips, gameplay recordings, and stream controls across devices. The update includes new game detail pages, more insight before downloading, and a newly added U tab that organizes subscriptions, content, and audiobooks, all designed to personalize and streamline the mobile gaming experience starting late 2025. Moving on to our next headline. A new AI industry consortium has been formed to standardize semantic modeling approaches, critical for interoperability and machine understanding of complex information in multi-domain environments. This consortium aims to reduce integration friction and foster more consistent AI behavior across sectors. It's a strategic step toward universal AI infrastructure, rooted in transparency and common understanding. GoPro is back with its most advanced tech yet, the Fluid Pro. This action cam combines a mechanical gimbal with AI-driven stabilization and motion prediction, letting creators capture flawless footage, even in chaotic or high-speed environments. Gemini, Google's premier AI assistant, is now embedded deeper across platforms, from Chrome to Play Store, supporting smarter queries, faster productivity tools, and intuitive interactions, reshaping how users explore digital spaces worldwide. This video is supported by ClassKid, an AI-powered education platform that makes professional tutoring affordable for every child everywhere. ClassKid. Every child is a genius. Check the link in the description to explore it. To sum it up, from AI-powered app personalization to breakthrough development platforms and next-gen action cams, AI continues redefining user experience and digital innovation at every corner. Which breakthrough caught your attention most? Don't forget to subscribe for daily AI news updates and turn on notifications. Like, comment, and share this video to stay ahead in the world of artificial intelligence.